eggs.
Mommy, it's your turn.
What color do you want?
Here.
Oh, thank you. Here, Joe, grab your dipper. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Say Happy Easter, Joe.
Happy Easter.
Thank you, sweetie. What color do you want to do? Do you want to do yellow, blue, orange, purple, red, green? Yellow?
That one.
Boy.
Yellow. All right.
No, I can't want yellow.
You can't want yellow. What color? You want purple again?
Ashton,
Yeah, I love the monkey.
Yeah, you love the
put a sticker on
purple.
one.
Okay, here, let's see your dipper.
Then where's the go?
Purple's in there. Let's dip it in.
Just wait.
Ooh. No, we don't lick it. Smells like vinegar.
And smell it.
You smell it? Ooh, purple egg.
Yeah.
Yeah.